Hello everyone. Today's topic is ACME Protocol support for iOS and iPadOS and macOS enrollment. So today we will discuss what is this new change with Apple enrollment and how this will help in device attestation in Intune. So without further ado, let's begin. So I'm sure everybody is aware of this new update. It's the latest one. It came in July, and you can go through this. I have created a presentation to discuss this. Okay, so what this new protocol with the Apple enrollment means and how it will be used to perform the device attestation, we will discuss both. So this new ACME protocol is going to replace the legacy SCEP protocol, SCEP certificate, which was till now used with the Apple enrollment with the management profile. And this ACME protocol will also help with device attestation. So this protocol is replacing SCEP certificate within all the management profiles, which you install going to the settings app in your Apple devices. And this is better than the previous one, of course. And it helps in unauthorized certificate issuance through robust validation mechanism and automated process. We will discuss how it works actually. And this is ACME is required for managed device attestation, which is currently in preview. And what device attestation do is it's a security feature, as the name suggests. So it attests that it attests the device with Apple servers that the device properties are correct and it's not been spoofed with. And this new ACME certificate, which is going to be used, is secure and will be in the secure enclave of the device, so it can't be spoofed. So now all new Apple enrollments will attempt to be attested. Get attested. Attested means the devices will connect to Apple server to get it attested that if that device is not it's not been tampered with. I will explain you with a diagram on how this will work, and you will be able to understand it. So for now, nothing has changed. The way the admin configures the enrollment profile or how the users will configure everything, all these things will happen in the background. And how you can now you can use this device attestation as a new security step for your organization that we will discuss. So how and when actually it happens, enrolling device will retrieve the new ACME cert during enrollment. So when the user will try to enroll the device, during that time, the device will retrieve the certificate uh, from the Intune. Okay, Intune is connected to the Apple servers through you create a relationship with the Apple so that you can enroll the Apple devices. So through that, it will connect to. It is always connected to Apple servers. The device will get the certificate with the management profile, which it gets from the Intune. It is within the management profile only, and once they receive it, it all happens during this enrollment process only, that the device will also get to attest. So how the attestation work, I have created a diagram where I will explain you how actually it works. So it ensures that the properties of MDM are validated by Apple servers and have not been spoofed. So we have understood like what actually it is. Let me show you this diagram so it will make you more clear. So suppose this is an Apple device. So this is the device will get the profile. Okay, this I marked as step 1 from the Apple enrollment service. It will get the device info, and during the time of the enrollment, the device is connected already. During the time of the enrollment, that is step 2, this once the user has authenticated, and the Apple device will connect to the Apple servers to get authenticated. First it will fetch the device info, and during the time of the enrollment, this device will connect to Apple servers to get the attestation. So it will this Apple servers will attest the device, and then the device will get that certificate. It is not that all the devices will get attested if there is some issue or it has been spoofed. So those devices will also get the management profile. So now, and then the management profile will have this ACME certificate. Will have the certificate also. So device will get the certificate. Now, how the admins will leverage this attestation feature, that can that I will show it to you within the Intune admin portal. So I have this Intune admin portal. So what will happen if you go to iOS and iPadOS enrollment? Here you will get a new restriction feature along with the platform restriction, that only those devices which are attested will be allowed to enroll. So if the device is not attested during this step, which is when the process 2 getting the management profile, during that process only, if the device is not if the attestation is a failure, and the device will receive that management profile, which you go to the setting apps and then installs it, that installation will fail. It will not let you download the management profile to your device. Now here you can create that restriction and use that to block those devices from enrolling if they didn't get attested from the Apple servers. Now where you will find, if you want to see, if you will not put this restriction, even the devices are not attested, they will be able to enroll. So it's on your organization policy, compliance, or policy that will decide like if you want to create that filter for enrollment or not. So there is a new addition in the filters also. If you're not aware of the how filter works, so there I will show it to you. Filter are more important these days in Intune. So if you go to filters for Apple devices, we will have a new category, manage devices. Might not be there in my tenant. So here you will get a new option, is device attested. So in that case, you can filter out those devices which are attested. And if you want to check from the device side, then you can go and click on the management profile in your settings app, and within that management profile, you will see clearly that it has been enrolled using ACME protocol and the device is attested or not. So these are the two new things you can do with this: create a filter, and other one is creating a device enrollment restriction. And we have a new cross-platform report as well. So here you can see it's not especially for iOS, but it's a cross-platform. You can generate report to see the data. I don't have any iOS or iPadOS devices in my tenant, so I can show it to you, or I have minimum test devices. I'm sorry. So here you will get a good idea what this new feature is all about. So that is all. I will come up with my next video with a new update. Uh, Thank you for your time, and bye for now.